In the past 8 years that I've been working with LEDs in fashion and tech, I've seen the use of lights becoming more and more common. While it's still a little bit of a niche market, there are a few designers who are killing it with their ready-to-shop creations. For this video, I'm focusing on products that are available for instant order, so although many designers I've talked about on my channel do custom work, we won't be including them in this particular video. Electron is a company that has been around since 2012 and produces some absolutely stunning LED costumes. Images of their work seem to constantly pop up on my social media, and it's no surprise considering the innovation and quality of their work. Electron started with 2 founders creating their own projects by hand, and now have a workshop and a team of over 50. Their work is geared towards costumes and performers, and they've worked with some major brands and musicians. If you're looking for something completely mind-blowing and special, look no further than their store. Art by Physicist is a new line launched by Kitty Young, inspired by physics, science, and space. Kitty has been around in the fashion tech scene for years and boasts an impressive background with a PhD in applied physics from Harvard University, Masters of Science and a BA in Natural Sciences from University of Cambridge, plus a multi-talented artist and musician. It's enough to make us average humans wonder if the designer of these wonderful space-themed garments might secretly be an advanced life form herself. Kitty's ready-to-wear line takes a more subtle approach to the technology, with small hints of light accenting her hand-painted fabrics. The elegance and affordability of Kitty's designs make them a great integration into any tech-curious fashionista's wardrobe. Electron, or Wow Electron, is a designer and creator of unique LED designs and is particularly known for his masks. The density and pixel-perfect placement of the LEDs creates unique visual effects that can be synced in tune with music. Although the designs in the artist store are completed and ready to order, each mask is handcrafted by the artist. The creator's Instagram also offers a peek into the incredible process of creating these pieces and reveals just how much effort and attention to detail goes into each one. For performers, DJs, festivals, or any time you're looking to make your audience say wow, you cannot go wrong with these designs. Cute Circuit is another early pioneer in the fashion technology space, launching their first line in 2004. They produce a mix of custom work and ready-to-wear designs and have had some big celebrity names as their clients. Their current line offers a variety of fashion-forward designs with a focus on aesthetics and subtlety. While this video is intended to showcase the community, I can't close without mentioning our own line of wearable tech, where we offer LED designs for a variety of occasions and recently released new products that display images, texts, and GIFs controlled by your phone. With every new brand that launches exploring fashion and tech, I get excited to see more and more exposure to great ideas incorporating tech and fashion. If you think I've missed any brands, let me know in the comments and I'd love to see what they're up to.